How to add words to your personal dictionary on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save custom words so your keyboard stops flagging them as spelling mistakes. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Personal Dictionary. You'll find it just below the spelling correction option. At this point, select the language you want to add the word to. From here, if you've added words before, they'll already be listed on this page. If not, the list will be empty. Following this, tap the Add button at the top right corner to add a new word. From there, type in the word you want to save to your dictionary. At this stage, you also have the option to add a shortcut for that word. This means whenever you type the shortcut, your keyboard will automatically suggest the full word, which can be a handy time saver. After that, if you don't need a shortcut, you can leave that field empty and just save the word as is. Finally, once saved, your keyboard will recognize that word from now on and won't flag it with a red underline when you type it out. That's how you add words to your personal dictionary on Android. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.